Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a pre-primed black canvas, 16 by 20 inches, artist loft. And I have done my edges with some black paint. It's Meeden paint. It's on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is on the link tree. My link tree is below the video. I'm going to try and put a heavier layer of paint on this time than I did the last time I tried this experiment. We'll see if I can get myself to do that. Because I'm not used to putting heavy layers of paint on. And this is not really a very heavy layer, so let's put a little more paint on. And give it a better shot. That's my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. It is also on the Amazon link. Best paint spreading tool I know of. Bar none. So much easier than frosting spreaders or tongue depressors or even, no offense Miriam, Afro hair picks. Alright, it's a little bit heavier. So the last time I did this, I did just thin lines of color. And I threatened the next time I did it to put color in the shovel. But I think if I was going to do that, I would put it in a dish first. And I think what I want to do is just use my colors still out of my squeeze bottles. And just make heavier areas. I don't think it matters where I put the colors. It probably does. I'm probably being belligerent. Last time I did this, I wanted some turquoise, and it is more or less open. Less than more. I made some, wow, it plugged up in the last 20 minutes. I made some some neon purple from folk art into a lighter purple by adding golden iridescent pearl fine to it. No matter what happens with this experiment, I will probably be able to do something with it, I'm hoping. I'm just trying to make sure I double up my lines. Get my torch out of there. Use a little bit of this quinacridone magenta that also has iridescent pearl fine in it. My dog just escaped. It must be some kind of weird day. And last but not least, the Hot Orchid Prism Pour from Color Art, which is just going to go everywhere. Well, maybe not last. Maybe I'll put some. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll put some Anita's White Metallic. That's why I keep a bottle with one cut open. I really could just tip that around for a minute, for the heck of it. And then I'm going to take the Meeden paint that I watered down, and I'm going to put it all along this side and pull it. I think I'm going to pull it in weird directions. And I picked the side with the curve on it. Darn. Should have picked the other side. Okay, well there's how much paint I have on. We'll see if this works. Because of the curve. Last time I did this, I got an angel wing. Now I've got a lot of paint, pretty paint, right on that catcher. I'll show you. And I'm going to take it off of there and put it in a little scrape dish. scrape dish. You can get those at Michael's in the party section. I'm getting some really, really excellent cells. I'm thinking about a couple of smaller cards instead of the same size card again. And I think that will work. So I'm just going to use the edge of that. There's one. I think I want to use it the way it is. No, I'll be good. I will scrape it off. Could use the short side. So far so good. It's not as bright as I would hope for, but that doesn't mean I can't fix that with some orange. Right there. So, let me go back to my mead and paint. Put that orange right in there. Scrape off my colors. I'm going to put my colors right down on the canvas if I can get them off my spatula. I might use a much smaller swipe card to continue this, or I might tip it. I'm just dolloping out these beautiful colors. Because I can, the name of my first book on the Amazon link, under the link tree. I'm going to find myself a smaller swipe card. There's one. Although, I kind of like some of those things that are happening here. And I know that I can spread those cells out, these up here, by tipping it down. And I think good things are going to happen. Stretch them right out. Dip my hand in the tile on the... But the gold down here is beautiful. So what do I want to do with that? Anything? I really want some of this hot orchid. And I'm going to use the end. I really want to see that pop up. That would be nice. I might even tempt fate and torch it. Not popping through the way I had hoped. Maybe a second swipe with a smaller card. There's the smaller card. Nope, the black swallowed it. Okay then, I have learned a lesson about that. And that's still not coming out. Need to break that up. Not feeling it yet. Not sure exactly what to do, but I do have some of this Arteza electric blue and I do love it. And that could be just the perfect fix for me. So if I don't love it, I guess what I will do is put colors in until I do. I'm looking for my Venetian blue and I haven't even got it out today. That's better. It's getting closer to something I like a lot. Closer and closer we go. Come, 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 go. There. Wow, that really didn't take all that much. And I'm much happier. I'm not 100% that I'm completely done. I want to put some Meeden white paint right down over here. And I don't mind that. Drag the edge of my card a little bit. Get rid of those super straight lines. Yeah, 100% better. Really, actually very, very cool. Might want one last. Or use my residuals. Kind of like putting my card into the lines and dragging the end. There. Okay, so if you like what I do, especially when I make miracles, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to help continue my studio producing videos, your appreciation shown through comments is very appreciated. Very, very. You keep my morale boosted. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up too. Very much. And thank you extremely well for the contributions that help keep me painting all this time. If you are somebody who can contribute, look for the PayPal or Patreon icons on my YouTube channel banner on the bottom right hand corner. And that will get you into the monthly drawing, and you can see the prizes for the monthly drawing on the end screen video in the last 20 seconds of every video. It's the exhibition video. I'm having a weird day, but I do like this painting, and I want to tell you that my link tree underneath the video not only has PayPal and Patreon links, but it also has an Amazon link where you can find my Oxo Omelette Turning Flip and Fold Spatula, my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students, where I post tomorrow's video lots of times, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors, where I post the albums when I've finished editing and artwork. This is really cool. It took me a second, and I think I might want a couple spirals in there, and somebody's like, where are the spirals? How about one right there? And one right there. One right there. Just a few. A few 5, a few 10, you know, whatever. I do leave my paint kind of heavy, so that means I use GAC 800 from Golden to protect my results. It keeps the paint from cracking when it's drying. I could put some dots in there, but I kind of think the cells took care of that. And I love you guys. There's almost 92,000 of you. I'm not sure which way is best up. It looks good from a lot of directions. It's pretty bizarre. And I'm I'm still experimenting, but I have the cells that I wanted from the Meeden. Don't forget, it's at no added cost to you to shop my Amazon link. I'm going to zoom in as soon as I get up on my ladder. I have Teespring clothing below the video. All over print leggings and t-shirts, and anytime you find a design that's not included there, you'd like to see as an all over print legging or t-shirt, or any of the other things I show there, please feel free to ask me, and I will see what I can do. So, what did I not tell you? Oh, I forgot to tell you the community board on my YouTube channel has tomorrow's video. And I have 1,900 videos, 18 lists of 100, and one being populated. And if you need a link for anything or a suggestion, just ask me. I have not just 18 lists of 100, but I have playlists of topics and genres. And you can check them out. I'm trying to read and concentrate on my dog being missing and everything else all at once, and it's making my brain melt. My email address is below the video, and if you want to reach me in regard to a class at house in Spring Hill, Florida, or the purchase of an artwork, all that's required for the artwork is the hashtag and the file number in the title of the video for me to get back to you. Thank you guys for everything. I'm going to let it go for right now. I'll talk to you anon. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.